Another video. Today is 18/8/22 and it is Thursday. But before we start anything, we still have to talk about disclaimer. So let's go on. We are not a registered investment or broker dealer. All opinions expressed here are from personal research and are intended as educational material. Although best efforts are made to ensure that all information is accurate and up to date, occasionally unintended errors may occur. So yes, let's go back to our main point. But oh yeah, I forgot. Before that, have our quote of the day. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God. In Him I will trust. By Psalm. It is in Psalm 91:2. Very nice as usual. Now before anything starts, let's have a slight introduction, let's see here. Is this yesterday? Okay, yeah. Okay, first of all, let's talk about these lines. First we got this light blue, we got this dark blue, we got magenta right here. Now these are exponential moving average. 8, 21, 100, as you can see up here. In case you actually can't, it's 8, 21, and 100, yeah. Now there are two lines that states quite important. It shows you the median trend and whether you should trade for a call or put, up or down, yeah. And they basically guide you through the whole thing. Now these is called the moving average 200, which is the red one right here. It's like crimson blood red. And then we have the VWAP here. It's slightly darker orange, Now these two, when formed, may bounce in between, such as this right here, and then in the end it will bounce right back up, right, as usual. Now we also want to look at the volume down here to see whether it has a potential of bouncing back or doing anything big. But next we have our pivot points, which here is the pivot, which is basically the pivot as its name. Now we have 3 resistance line, although we can see 2 here only. There's 1 more above, and then we have 3 support line, which 2 off here, and then 1 more below. Now the second of these 3 are always the strongest. Doesn't mean that they may push back and work more successfully, but they're just stronger. It still depends on the flow, and the other ones are not weak, they're strong, just slightly lesser resistant. But once it passes, this resistance line can be your resistance, and it'll help you when it goes up. Yeah, if I go back to my 9, I think there's some lag today. We might wanna watch out. There are 3 right here, you can see. Now let's talk about some green takes red. Yeah. Okay, let's go back and then see a green takes red, or maybe red takes green, any of them. Right, let's say red takes green. Scroll back. We must be on the 2 minute first of all. Then here's a red takes green. Although not the nicest, but I just want to tell you the example. Yeah, as long as you get the point. You want a green bar after a red one, and then you want the next red bar to instantly blow and then pass through its low, which is in this case 938.27, which this pass and go straight down. We're gonna take some quick and fast profits. Actually, this example is from 16 August. We would see it if you are on the stream that day. But yeah. And then green takes red is like the opposite. You want a red bar after the green one, and then you want to pass the high instead, and it goes up. And these resistance, VWAP, 200, they're all like I guess general resistance, and then they bounce you back. So you want to watch out. Now 9:30 is where the market will start, and we're still waiting on that. But before that, maybe I can go for another bullet chest. Yeah. Increase my chess skills. Winning every day. Very nice. So on that, well, if we're talking about that, I do not have much more. So I'm not sure. There's still 20 seconds, solid 20 before we start. Yeah. Nice. Now the bell signalizes our starts. Well, we do want everyone to have some good trades, right? No, okay. Big red. Big reds. Let me go back to my 9. Okay, yeah. It's dropping quite fast. Not very nice, exactly. Not exactly the nicest shots, but it's what we got. Now, actually, I'm not sure what to say about this. Okay, wow, okay. It's this big hammer. Okay. Let's watch and have our setup. Now at that time we can talk about your psychological state. Now if you don't feel if that's okay, first of all, it's probably happening right now. If you have lag, please don't take trades that easily, because there's no point. You lag, so what if it's a good setup? If you lag, like you gain nothing. So don't do it if that happens, right? Yeah, basically just don't. If you do, you'll probably end up falling down, just like how this is. But we could wait. Yeah, we could. And we should wait. Just for a while. Now, yeah, big drops. But it's at the pivot point. So, oh, exactly the pivot, the middle, right? Nice. We could draw Fibonacci later, but let's check it out first.
Hello there.
Yes?
Are you hungry?
I am.
Okay, let me take over for a slight walk because I believe it's a put day. Okay, there
yes,
is a...
Oh wait, just in case, right? I think there's some lag.
Oh, again?
Yeah.
There's a put at 913.1. Okay, getting ready for the 913.1, which Ray doesn't like it. We said we are at the pivot, by the way. Just be careful. I think he should have warned you guys. Oh, he's having some very nice unagi over here.
Always.
Okay, we have 1 minute 200 on top, which is here. I'm not taking the market one, although it can go up for $1 plus. Nope, not my taste. See, that's what happened. Not my taste.
Not your cup of tea.
Yeah, not my cup of tea. Actually, I'm going for put anyway. 913.31. But we need to pass the pivot, which will be quite hard. I do like this bar to continue green for the next 30 seconds. Then we will have a very nice green, red takes green down. But please don't go, please don't go, please don't go, please don't go. Please don't go. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet, not yet. Okay, it went. And we are in. Okay. Taking the profit. Half here and another half in, let's see, I'm taking, okay, we have the 2 minute 200 on top of us now. I will be taking the 2 minute 200 as my stop, so will be 913.63. That is a nice okay, I'm taking the rest here. Once you plunge, passing through. Okay, here. Okay, thank you. Anyway, guys, why do I take the profit so early? Today is actually I have another opinion that I would like to share. From what I know, we should be having let me see. We should be having a Fibonacci resistance over here. Let me take a look. Okay, yeah, exactly here. Well, we'll be taking the profit, and I actually aim for a call day today, surprisingly, but let's see how it goes. Like what I always mention, we don't have our own input, we don't have our own mindset, we just follow what the market give us and we do the trades. Okay, waiting for this bar to turn red, and I will have a nice green takes red call for red later. Well, 912.95 if everything goes well. Let's see how it goes then. Still waiting. One more second. Let me check the chart to confirm. Okay. There is a risky 912.95 over here. I may be taking it, but I will prefer a small red bar here if Tesla and God is willing. 912.95, or please be wary of the pivot on top, and slowly. The EB is nice today, really, trust me. Well, we are talking about food. Oh, one thing, we banned talking about food in this channel.
What?
It's addictive, you know. Food, such a nice thing. The only thing that can overcome stock market is food chat. So you want that to interfere with you. You know, like when we discuss about taco, when we discuss about unagi, then it'll disturb you. Okay, 912.95. Going. Yeah. It hit the pivot, and it's a dangerous trade, so my cut loss will be tight. I will going for at 911.14 at here. Okay, guys, please get ready. Let's see how it goes, and later I'll explain why I'm in favorable of this call trade. Okay, we can take half over here. Yep, for the profit, and we can actually make our cut loss at, well, I won't want to set my cut loss yet. I want to wait for another minute. Okay, let's see whether it passed through strongly with the pivot. It'll be good that it can pass the 914.37. We are exactly at the pivot and the VWAP. So if it's able to pass through strongly, we will have a large gap up, which I'm looking onto it. This is the part that why I want to get involved in this trade. Okay, we didn't pass through. I will be taking my last bit of profit if it doesn't work for this 2 minute. 37 passing through, and there it goes. Okay, touching the 38. I'm taking another quarter here. Okay, I'll have last remaining 1 quarter up to the top. Yeah, this is crazy. Of course, it will not be always waiting to the top of the 200. I'll be going for a cut loss, or not say a cut loss, the last quarter profit when it touches the pivot at 913.66. So we have 3 bits of profit. Now my last run will be, my target is at 917.37. Let's see how it goes. 917.37. Okay, passing through the 915.96 will enable us to have a large gap up. Okay, it passed. Let's see whether it hit our 917.37. Getting ready to sell the last bit. Okay, another minute to go. Okay, my final I'm uploading my loss stop profit at 914.53. I need to think of a term to say this. Anyway, the target is still 917.3. It's not cut loss actually because we are already profit. Okay, here. Thank you. Yeah, the bottom of this green. Tesla is freaky. Well, we have a good run today. I can remove this. Let me see. Let me remove this Fibonacci. It's disturbing. Okay. Let's see how it goes for this 2-minute resting. If it goes well, if it doesn't fall below the VWAP and the pivot, we do have another nice green tick straight over here where I can re-enter and most probably try to ignore this 200 here. Oh, it touched. Yep. Okay, our final profit is where is it? Let me see. 912 just now. So we actually had a $2 and a $3 and along with another small $2 profit. Very nice. Nice and crunchy day. Okay, waiting slowly. Okay, this is a nice bar that I like. In another 10 seconds, if it doesn't pass through, 915 will be my 1 minute trigger to pass the 916.88, a green tick rate. Well, if it let us, obviously. And we have a 916.66 5-minute over here. Nice. Don't think so? Yup. Tesla not going to let us have it. Okay, let me see, go back and take a look at the Fibonacci again. See. Okay, another entry here at 100 and this two. Okay, nice. Okay, waiting for the setup. I was wondering if Ray share with you guys the quote of the day. Did you?
I did.
Yeah.
Psalm 91.
Psalm 91. Yes, the famous, one of the most famous psalm for protection and grace. Okay, 913.4. I don't like it to pass, so it can have a large gap up because it needs strong volume to pass through the pivot and the VWAP. But I'm not taking this because we just had a very good day. So I'm reducing all the unnecessary risk trade over here. But I will be consider taking the 913.61 if it turns red. Let's put out the big chart. Yeah, we have a 2-minute holding strong here, touching the pivot and the VWAP. Regardless of how this bar turn, if it's a green, well, I will still it will go through. Never mind. It go through. I was planning to take 2-minute regardless of what this color is, because passing through the VWAP and the pivot will be a strong one. Okay, we have a green takes rate at 966. A weak one, I will take a quick entry. Yep. And I'll take a quick exit once it go through. My cut loss will be here actually at 915. So still holding on. Okay, taking quick profit. Yep. Okay, it's not unnecessary. It's not that it will not pass through. Just that I told you I don't like this long bar, so I prefer to take a quick profit while we wait for a better setup. And we are actually entangled here at the 200. But once it passed through 917.62, we must have a volume strength before getting up. You want to take over for a while? And finish your rice. You can? You're too full? Come over in 5 minutes, okay? In 3. We haven't been dual podcast for quite a while. Okay. You guys can see today is a VP day. As you can see, it's always a long gap up, then push down, long gap up, then push down. Okay, I'll put at 913. This bar having a small red will be a very beautiful one. Let's see whether you will go. But there's no volume, as you guys can see. Let me show you the volume of today. No volume. Weak. Very, very, very weak day. Still waiting. Yep. As long as Tesla don't have strong movement past the 2 minute 200, I'm always glad to enter for the green takes rate. By the way, if you guys are new here and doesn't understand what is the market one or the green takes rate, please subscribe to us and take a look at the videos, the educational videos on the green takes rate and also the market one. Okay, we have the market one at 914.68, but I still prefer this to be red for me to take the 2 minute instead of the 1 minute. It passed, going strongly. Yep. I still didn't take the trade. As you can see, no ring for me. BP. And Tesla has a very nice 50 minutes candle. Wow. If we can wait, this one will be good. Another 5 more seconds. Don't give me the cross. No. Okay, you give me the cross. So not taking any trade, still waiting. Waiting for another 2 minutes. But it's getting very tight, guys. Let me show you what will happen. It's getting so tight. See, it's getting very, very tight. So once it's able to break through this 912, you'll get down. Okay, it did. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. And for the call, right, you need to pass through the 916. So we will see how this 2 minute evolve. We have still been bound by the 200 over here, the 200 moving average. So let's see how it goes. Ending this 2 minute in 1 minute time, 2 minute bar with within what 40 seconds. Well, if it's still within this small zone area, it'll be a fantastic move if you can take over the high of this point, which is at 915.33. Waiting for another 30 seconds. Hello, partner. We have a wedge here. You will like it. It's a call.
Wow.
Yeah. If it doesn't break through the 200, okay.
Oh,
It break through the wages.
why?
Congratulations. So guys, like I explained just now, passing through this, we do have one more yesterday as well. You know, like passing through this with a green tick straight or a red tick screen will give you a nice gap down. In this case, well, without much volume, so it didn't further continue the price, but it's a good trade just now. Once again, I'm not going into that. I'm not taking the trade because it's VP and I don't like it. You want to join us for another 10 minutes? See, VP, up and down, just like the QQQ. Are you eating too much?
I think I ate too much.
Yeah, because I
think I ate too fast and too much.
I told you to take it slowly. I saw you eating too much. This is the first time you admit that you ate too much.
Because I never have.
It's nice, right? See, I think of you so good with the unagi made by myself, special sauce, and EB.
But too much.
Whippy guys, not much of a, well, okay, passing through 10.88 will let it crash down, which it did. Let's see whether it will go down to the low point of here. I'm taking a quick one for the 10 point. If it pass through the 910.24, but I hope, no, I said not say hope, I want this Tesla bar to be green for the 2 minute. Then we can take a put. Come. Hey, don't be lazy.
I can't walk. If I walk,
So bad. Okay, just to let y'all know that he ate so much that he can't even walk. Imagine how
don't
much.
know. It shouldn't have been too much.
Yeah,
I need magnesium oxide.
because he ate too fast. By the way, I was seeing him, rushing through that big bowl of rice
You have no time.
with
I
unagi.
finish in 20 minutes, the whole thing is over.
No, you can take your time. That's what I say. Take your time.
I need magnesium oxide.
Guys, if you all trace back to the beginning of the podcast, I do say the word take your time. Aha.
I need magnesium oxide. It's good for digestion.
I'm not good at chemistry, guys. What does it mean by magnesium oxide?
You know, make MgCl2.
Seems poisonous to me.
H2O.
Seems poisonous to me.
How is it poisonous?
Well, seems. Okay, long bar, but it is nice. The volume. Not the volume is not nice. I mean the price per 2 minute is very nice. I like it. Still waiting for the market to decide. Another 10 more seconds. If this one goes green, a very nice green, I can take it down to 910.51. Let's see whether it can work. No, let's see whether it gave me. Okay, it gave me 910.51. Getting ready. Let me see the 1 minute if I can front run. Oh, okay, I should have front run. I should have fun run here at 11.65. But nevertheless, this is still good. 10.51. Getting ready. If Ray is not near me now, actually I'll buy the call now actually. I'll buy the put now actually. Yeah, okay, it's breaking it broke the 11. Let me explain later. Okay, breaking through 10.45. Okay, let's see whether it can break the $10. I'll take my half when it break through the $10. Still holding. Our cut loss is actually the top of this, which is 11.45. $11.77, sorry. Okay, cutting it now. VP. Another double entry once it passed through the 10.51. But I'm not going to take it again. No. No, by the way, no, I was wrong. I am going to take it again. I will take it light. Yeah, I'll take it light. 10.51. What do you think, Ray? 10.51 or the call at 12.65. Well, we have a wedge here again. Just to let you know. Let me draw it again for you. Nice. You can actually say it like this, but well, it's the same. What do you think? Will we be blessed with another 4 minutes of our trade? We are stuck between for the call. We actually have 2 minute 200 VWAP and PERVIT on top. Make it very hard, very hard. So I prefer put right now, especially when this bar turn green, a small green. Okay, Praj down. Wow, damn, this is VP. Does it through past the 5 minute? Oh, it does. It passed the 5 minute. Okay, taking it. Target 909, sorry, 909. Why? Still too full? What? Say the word. What do you mean? We don't have a video over here. If not, you guys can see that Ray is hand signaling the entire trade. Are you asking me to cut loss here? Asking me to close the trade here? Or what? Okay, I need this to pass the 910, by the way, and passing through the 909. It will keep stuck at this line, but passing through the 909 will crash it down and make me exit. Let's see whether it will work. To what? Just say it. Press. Okay, press. Okay, going for 909. Okay, he asked me to sell here, so I just sell. Well, okay, that's a nice one. Why? It's a wedge. It's a nice down wedge, which I shouldn't sell. Look at it, look at it, look at it. That's what happened when your partner forces you to sell. You see, you got a chance to show him that he's wrong, being too full. Don't tell? Just wait and see. You're very bad at hand signaling. Tesla is still at trap zone. We shall wait. I want this to pull down totally. pulled out totally, passing through the low of the day at 908, then we can have a very nice put on the way. But now it's still whippy. But we should be retesting 900 today. Another 10 seconds till our podcast close. Yeah. So what do you have to say about today? No, I'm not going. I don't know what you're saying. Okay, guys, that is 10 o'clock here. By the way, I give you all a small outcome of what I can see. Passing through the 909 right now, this is the point where I will actually take my profit if my partner didn't force me to press. This is the one that I foresee the sudden gap down. Yeah, but we have a good day. That's why I don't mind taking the small profit or small loss just now. Now this is the gap down that I'm seeing. So passing through the 908, going to the 906, and we will be testing the 900 today. But a good downturn, as you guys can see, all the lines are getting into shape. Later, if we see a small green over here, you guys may want to take a red text screen to the put side, which will be very, very effective. Okay, yeah, that's all for the class today. Thank you guys